Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we celebrate as Teacher Day. He believed that teachers are the true builder of the nation, and today we realize how true those words are. Dear teacher, your patience, dedication, and love save our life in a countless way. No words are enough to thank you for your selfless respect. Today's celebration is a small way of showing our appreciation and respect for all that you do for us. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to our respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Let us together make this day a memorable one, filled with joy, respect, and gratitude. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you to our head boy for those kind and thoughtful words, spoken straight from the heart and echoing the spirit of this day. Well, if speeches had report card, I think that one deserves an A+. Thank you to our head boy for setting just the right tone for today. There are many ways to measure time, by clocks, calendars, or by seasons. But if you ask me, we measure our lives and voices, the voices of people who guide us, who correct us, who push us forward, and for most of us, those voices belong to our dear teachers. And here's the heart of it. Teaching has never really been about lessons or exams. It's about moments, the quiet encouragement after a failure, the extra explanation when the whole class looks lost. These are the moments that shape us for more than marks ever will. Today is one of those rare moments when roles reverse. Usually it's the teachers who stand here and we sit there. Today it's us on stage and you as the audience. So on behalf of every student here today, we would once again like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to request everyone to give a very big round of applause for our stars today.
And now, as we continue this beautiful celebration, it's time to fill the air with melody and harmony. So, let us welcome on stage our very own school choir, class 123, ready to mesmerize us with their voices and uplift our spirit. Please give them a huge round of applause as they present a soulful rendition especially dedicated to our beloved teachers.